Welcome. In front of me is a Ledger Nano S, and today I'll show you how to install the Bitcoin wallet onto the Ledger itself. So number one, we're gonna need to have the application that can be downloaded on basically any kind of platform, Windows or Mac, Linux. If you're using a computer, it doesn't really matter. And on the phone side, you can use either iOS or Android, obviously. Now I'm using Android for this. That's kind of why I have this plugged in here, just so I can connect it to the Ledger itself. So anyway, obviously if you haven't done so, you need to go into the Play Store, download Ledger Live, and from there, once you open it up, obviously I assume you already went through the initial setup of the wallet itself. So from here, you need to only go to the Manage, select your Ledger. In normal circumstances, it would on the Ledger show up to press both buttons to continue, so you'd have to press those. But for me, it didn't do it because I kind of already did it. So anyway, from here, find the Bitcoin. Obviously, it's going to be right at the top here. It looks like it sorts all the coins based on popularity of them, so Bitcoin is at the top. So click on Install. Now, I will warn you, you can only install a limited amount of wallets on here. As you can see, Bitcoin will take up 40 kilobytes and your total storage right here is 144 kilobytes. And some of those do take a little bit more space than the other ones. As you can see, we have Bitcoin Cash, which takes only 2, Litecoin 2, Polkadot takes 46, Cardano 88. So as you can see, sizes kind of vary depending on which one you want. And additionally, once you install the wallet on the device, it automatically asks you if you want to also create an account for it. Because by default, if you just install the wallet, it does not actually have the account, so it can store Bitcoin, but it doesn't have anywhere to store it to, if that makes sense. So you would just kind of go to the create or add account, and you would assign a account address to it, which then basically becomes an actual wallet. But I'm not going to go over this right now, so I'm just going to close this off. So anyway, that is how you would install Bitcoin wallet on the Ledger. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.